Good morning, friends. This is Miss Jackie again, and I came here to the school. I miss you guys so much, and I miss being here with y'all. So I came to sing some songs with you guys, and of course, my favorite um, kids music singer is Dr. Jean. So we're gonna sing some of her songs. All right, sing with me, friends. Let me raise the volume on this. All right. Let's all plant some seeds. Let's all plant some seeds. High hope is spring, you know. Let's all plant some seeds. The rain begins to fall. The rain begins to fall. High hope is spring, you know. The rain begins to fall. The sun warms the earth. The sun warms the earth. High hope is spring, you know. The sun warms the earth. The seeds begin to grow. The seeds begin to grow. High hope is spring, you know. The seeds begin to grow. And the next song as well from Dr. Jean. I looked out my window and what did I see? Popcorn popping on my cherry tree. What a surprise spring left for me. Popcorn popping on my cherry tree. Pop, 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 pop. Faster. I looked out my window and what did I see? Popcorn popping on my cherry tree. What a surprise spring left for me. Popcorn popping on my cherry tree. Pop, 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 pop. Super fast. I looked out my window and what did I see? Popcorn popping on my cherry tree. What a surprise spring left for me. Popcorn popping on my cherry tree. Pop, 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 pop. So as we know, we started a new season and it is spring. So we've noticed that we can hear the birds this morning. When I woke up, I heard lots of birds by my house. I have trees in the backyard and I could hear the birds singing. That is a sign of spring. Birds are singing. We also talked about how baby animals are born in the spring. We will see baby chicks, baby bunnies, all kinds of little baby animals are being born. And the plants are growing, the flowers are growing, the leaves on the trees are growing. So that is another sign of spring. So during spring, as you know, what does a plant need to grow? It needs water, it needs sun, it needs air and soil. So during springtime, we will see a little bit of rain and we will see a lot more of rain actually. We will see the sun shining bright. It's going to get warmer, and that is how our leaves and our trees and our plants and our everything's going to start growing, and it's going to be so beautiful out in the fields. You'll see flowers, and bluebonnets come out in the spring. We talked about bluebonnets last month. So also the birds and animals, when it rains, they drink the water that is out. The birds, I've even seen birds taking little bird baths in the puddles of water. So it is beautiful to see the rain. I know sometimes we don't like it because we think that we get to be stuck inside the house, but actually it is very good for our earth to have rain. And it helps it so that the animals can get their water and the plants can get their water as well. And don't forget, plants and animals are living things, so they need water to grow, and they need the sun, and they need the air, just like we do. So we will be talking about Earth this month. So I have a book to read to you guys. I'd love to hear. Let me grab it. Thought I had it with me. Sorry.
So this book is about the earth. Okay? It is called The Earth and Sky. And it is written by, a first discovery book. Created by Gallimard Junice and Jean-Pierre Burdett. And illustrated by Sylvain Perros. It's a scholastic book. So, look at this beautiful picture of our planet. Our planet is the Earth. All right, let's listen to the story or the book. This is Earth, our planet. From the space shuttle far out in space, it looks like a small blue-green globe. The Earth is wrapped in the air we breathe and surrounded by moist white clouds. Our atmosphere is made up mostly of two gases, nitrogen and oxygen. All living things need oxygen to survive. From space, the 7 continents look like little islands floating in a great giant sea. Remember, guys, we talked about the 7 continents? Nearly 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered by water. Dry land, majestic mountains, and low-lying plains make up the rest. Below Earth's surface, there are many different layers of rock. Deep beneath the rock, Earth's core is red hot. People, animals, and plants live above the ground. Many animals even burrow underground. All living things need oxygen to breathe and water to drink. For millions and millions of years, rivers and streams have flowed over the Earth's surface. As the water seeped into cracks in the earth, it wore away rock to form these caves and underground streams. Ever since there has been a planet Earth, volcanoes have been erupting on it. Sometimes smoke, ash, and steam blast out of volcanoes. A volcano is an opening in the Earth's crust. During some eruptions, hot, melted rock from deep in the Earth's core flows out of the mouth of the volcano. The hot, molten rock is called lava. During the daytime, sunlight shines upon the Earth. Here's the Earth, and here's the big, great sun. The Earth travels around the sun, our source of light and warmth. The Earth also rotates or spins on its axis. The countries that are turned towards the sun get daylight. The Earth spins on a tilt. The sun cannot heat the whole world evenly. The North and the South Poles are always cold, even in summer. The South Pole is the coldest place on Earth. The equator is halfway between the North and the South Poles. The equator gets a lot of heat from the sun. It is always hot at the equator. Earth has just one moon. On July 20th, 1969, Neil Armstrong became the first person to walk on the moon. From Earth, we see only the part of the moon that reflects the sun's bright light. The moon revolves around the Earth, just as Earth revolves around the sun. Sometimes the moon looks like a big circle in the sky. We call this a full moon. As the month goes on, we see less and less of the moon. The angle between the moon, the earth, and the sun changes as the moon moves around the earth. We see only the part of the moon that is facing the earth and reflecting the light of the sun. Groups of stars seem to make the shapes in the sky. Can you see any star pictures? The white lines show the Big Dipper, the Little Dipper, and the North Star. The solar system. Spacecraft have already taken pictures of many of the planets that revolved around our sun. Perhaps someday you will be able to visit one of the other 8 planets in our solar system. How exciting would that be? You have the sun here. You have Mercury, Venus, here's Earth. This is our planet. Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. Sometimes Pluto is not considered a planet, so it's a dwarf planet. If you were an astronaut on the moon, you'd see the Earth softly glowing in a dark sky. The end. That was a nice little book. I like it. I miss you guys, and I hope to see you guys soon. Have a good day.